Hello friends, so I came with one of the important job opportunity, a kind of internship that is from Microsoft. So those students who are currently in the final year, or if you are 2026 or 2027 pass out, then this video is important for you. So Microsoft is hiring for software engineering intern. Job location is India, Karnataka, Bangalore. Job description, this is the job description and job is posted on 3 Jan. So this is on the important update. Okay, so you will basically work on fully on site and profession in software engineering. So there is also chance of conversion, or means you might get PPO, so must apply for this. And what are the overview, so you can go through it. They are looking for the fresh graduate. Okay, and basically those who currently pursuing bachelor or master degree in computer science, engineering or related field must have at least one semester term remaining following the completion of internship. मीन्स इंटर्नशिप जैसे ही आपका कंप्लीट हो जाए उसके बाद एक मंथ आपका मीन्स एक सेमेस्टर आपका बचे रहना चाहिए. तो सिंपली यू कैन से if you are 2026 or 2027 pass out, then you should apply for this, and position will be open for minimum 5 days with applicant accepted on ongoing basis until the position filled. So do apply as soon as possible because anytime this form might be closed. And if you are the students who want these kind of regular job update, make sure to subscribe this channel because you will get a lots of job opportunity in this channel. Okay, so also share this video with your friend so that they can also apply for this important job opportunity, and don't miss the chance to build your career with Microsoft. Okay, and company and benefits, they have already mentioned lots of benefits you will get: obvious flexibility, growth, well-being, community. So this is one important opportunity you should apply, and best of luck to all. I hope you all will be selected, and if you still have any query, feel free to ask here, comment here. So to apply for this role, you have to upload your resume. This is important things, and make your resume very good. Okay, so these are all things I want to tell. Thank you.